Hi, this is Shankar from KGiSL Institute of Technology, Coimbatore. I've been part of this design thinking workshop. Been a fantastic experience, meeting up interesting people, good round of exciting discussions on various topics, open up the mind. A wonderful way to connect between the mind and the heart, to think beyond what the problem that's encountered by us in our daily walks of life. The ambience is fantastic and been very meticulously planned. We have been engaged more than 12 hours yesterday, and been early start today, but it's been so refreshing because it involves a lot of teamwork, activities, sharing of minds, understanding each other's concerns, problems, how they tackle it, the experience from others. It's overall it's been a fantastic experience, and thanks to the entire team for putting up an excellent schedule and micro planning the entire event. The hospitality, the ambience, the support has been fantastic. It's definitely a program that would bring a difference in the thinking, in the execution, in the interaction. When we get back, I look forward to carry back some of the thoughts and experiences from here to implementing at my workplace, and hopefully look forward to participation in one of the future events. Thank you.